What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Internet Affiliate Secrets. I'm your host, Lionel Drew, and today we're talking about something most people overlook when it comes to making money online, and that is your energy. Not your money, not your followers, not your experience level, not even your tools, your energy. Because the truth is this: your energy is your greatest asset. Money can be lost and earned again. Time can pass and never return. But energy is what fuels everything. It fuels your focus. It fuels your discipline. It fuels your confidence. It fuels your creativity. And most importantly, it fuels your ability to take action. And if you've been struggling in affiliate marketing, if you've been starting and stopping, if you've been watching everybody else win while you feel stuck, today's message might be exactly what you need. Because sometimes the problem isn't the opportunity.
Sometimes the problem isn't the system. Sometimes the problem is your energy level. Let's talk about it. See, when your energy is low, everything feels hard. Checking emails feels hard. Making content feels hard. Learning a new skill feels hard. Posting your link feels hard. Showing up consistently feels hard. And when things feel hard, procrastination sneaks in. You start saying, I'll do it tomorrow. I need more time. I need more money. I need the perfect strategy. But deep down, you don't need more excuses. You need more energy. Because when your energy is high, you move different. You think clearer. You speak with confidence. You make decisions faster. You take action quicker. You become magnetic. And that matters in affiliate marketing because affiliate marketing rewards movement. The people who win are not always the smartest people. They're not always the most technical people. They're not always the most talented people. They're often the people who consistently show up with the right energy. Think about this. Every single day you wake up with a fresh deposit of energy. The real question is, where are you spending it? Are you wasting it on negativity, scrolling drama online, comparing yourself to strangers, watching people argue in comment sections, listening to people who never built anything tell you what can't be done? That drains your power. Are you wasting it on distractions, watching 10 hours of videos but taking zero action, buying courses but never applying them, jumping from one shiny object to another? That drains your power too. Or are you investing your energy into growth, learning a skill, building content, helping people solve problems, connecting with winners, taking one step forward every day? That's how momentum is built, and momentum changes lives. Let me tell you something important. Success in affiliate marketing is rarely about doing more. It's about operating at a higher level when you do it. One focused hour with strong energy can outperform 10 lazy, distracted hours. One confident video can outperform weeks of overthinking. One consistent month can outperform years of random effort. That's why protecting your energy matters. So, how do you charge your energy up and become stronger in this business? Let me give you practical steps. Number one, protect your mornings. Don't wake up reactive. Don't grab your phone and let the world program your mind. Wake up intentional. Spend time thinking about your goals. Read something positive. Listen to training. Plan your day. Winners don't drift into success, they direct themselves into it. Number two, feed your body better. Your body is the machine carrying your dreams. If you constantly run on junk, low sleep, low movement, low standards, don't be surprised when your motivation crashes. Energy is physical too. Drink water, move your body, rest properly, treat yourself like someone with a future worth protecting. Number three, guard your mind. What you watch and what you listen to shapes your state. If you fill your mind with fear, you'll hesitate. If you fill your mind with confusion, you'll stall. If you fill your mind with success principles, you'll rise. This is why mentorship matters. This is why learning from proven people matters. That's one reason I respect Wayne Crow and what he teaches through the OLSP community. He focuses on doing affiliate marketing the right way, with systems, support, training, and real best practices. Not hype, not nonsense, not fake promises, real learning, real action, real growth. Number four, move daily. Motion creates emotion. Sometimes you don't need motivation. You need movement. Send the message, create the post, watch the training, learn the traffic method, set up the page, follow up with leads. When you move, confidence grows. Confidence doesn't come first, action comes first. Number five, focus on purpose. If you're only chasing money, you'll quit when things get hard. But when your purpose is stronger, helping your family, building freedom, creating options, proving to yourself that you can win, then your energy multiplies. Meaning creates stamina, purpose creates persistence, and persistence creates results. Number six, surround yourself with people who elevate you. Some people drain every room they enter. They criticize everything. They attempt nothing. They complain constantly. Stay around that long enough, and your own fire gets weaker. But get around people building something, learning something, striving for more, and your standards rise automatically. That's why community matters so much in affiliate marketing. You need people who understand the journey, people who are learning too, people taking action too, people who want better too. That's why I tell people to look seriously at the OLSP Live opportunity. This isn't about being thrown into the deep end with no help. This is about joining a place where you can learn affiliate marketing while earning. Yes, earn as you learn. You don't need to know everything first. You don't need to be an expert first. You don't need years of experience first. You can start learning step by step while positioning yourself to earn commissions along the way. That's powerful because many people quit before success simply because they never see progress early enough. But when you can learn and earn, motivation increases, belief increases, momentum increases. And let me be clear, affiliate marketing done right is one of the best models online. Why? Because you don't need to create your own product. You don't need to hold inventory. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need to handle shipping. Your job is to learn traffic, learn communication, learn value, and connect people with solutions. That is a real skill set, and skills pay forever. So if you've been waiting for a sign, maybe this is it. Maybe the next level of your life doesn't begin with another random video. Maybe it begins with protecting your energy, focusing your effort, and plugging into the right environment. Maybe it begins by saying, I'm done being distracted. I'm done doubting myself. I'm done wasting my daily energy deposit. I'm ready to build. Here's my invitation to you. If you're serious about learning affiliate marketing the right way, with mentorship, community, free live training, and the ability to earn while you learn, go to olsplive.com. That's olsplive.com. Take a look, plug in, get connected, start learning, start building, start protecting your future. Remember this: low energy creates excuses, high energy creates execution. Low energy delays dreams, high energy builds them. Low energy watches others win, high energy joins the game. So power yourself up, protect your currency, invest your energy wisely, and watch everything around you begin to change. This is Lionel Drew, your host of Internet Affiliate Secrets. If this message helped you today, share it with somebody who needs it. And if you're ready to step into affiliate marketing with a winning environment, go now to olsplive.com. I'll see you on the next episode. Stay focused, stay energized, stay building.